In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Tapita SEO and Speed Optimizer app in your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, go to the Shopify App Store, install Tapita SEO and Speed Optimizer, and open it from your apps list. Once inside the dashboard, enable App Embed for it to work on your store. Next, run an SEO audit. Head to the SEO audit section and click Scan. Tapita will check your store for common SEO issues like missing page titles, weak meta descriptions, missing image alt text, and broken links. Go through the results and fix them one by one using Tapita's AI suggestions where available to save time. You can also get help with your critical errors for free when you click the link. The agent will help you with your errors, and you may need to provide access to your store. Accept the request and just follow their instructions. Finally, keep things optimized over time. Rerun SEO audits regularly. Optimize new products as you add them, and check your speed. Reports of performance drops. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.